I want this kind of art.
I don't think so. Cute little cabins. Cabin tour.
Do you use flint or do you use a lighter? Oh, okay.
Looks perfectly good. If ever possible, sometimes you just can't get away from it. I would rescue them, and they would try to climb in a canoe, and then they dump the people trying to rescue them and all kind of stuff.
You ready? I can do this. Oh wait. Beaver House Lake. This is everything. Me, Tyler, and my grandfather. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 big bags. Tyler's day pack and fanny pack. Some life jackets. 2 canoes. This backpack. I don't know what that is. Maybe maps. And fanny pack. Me. You done in the woods? You done going pee? Look at
If I
this.
fart in the woods and it doesn't make a sound, does anybody know that I farted in the woods?
You know you farted in the woods. A little bit of nothing.
Interfere with her paddling. She gets in the way, trying to work on the seat.
Look at Tyler. Can't freaking miss him.
What?
So green. Can't freaking miss him. So today is Saturday and we went out on the canoes. It is very windy. Very windy and it's supposed to be the coldest day. If this is as cold as it's gonna get during the day, I can handle that. I can handle that. Tyler's gonna fillet the fish right now. We caught, yesterday, I caught one pretty big pike, and my grandfather caught 3 walleye, and now, it's cold as a stick. today we caught, Tyler and I each caught a pike, and then my grandfather caught a walleye again. A walleye. So, you okay? Yeah. What are you doing? Are you feeling the wind? I feel like the wind is pretty obvious. Very windy today.
I thought I felt a couple raindrops.
Oh, really? I mean, it's pretty dark right here. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a sprinkle. Look at him. Show me the fish. This is our dinner for tonight. Poor things. This is pretty gross. Huh? That's true. Poor things. Mine's the big one. I always catch the big.
This one's mine.
That one's yours?
Yeah.
Don't lie. So far, I've caught the biggest fish every time. So this one is a pike. This is a pike. This is a walleye.
Correct.
Yes. Well, I know that. I was telling the camera.
Oh, I thought you were asking.
The pike have these like pretty fins. They kind of look like cheetah print. And then the walleye almost look like, the color almost looks like bass, but the face is a bit different.
Could you stay there for me?
Look at the wind. So there's an island, not this rock that I'm pointing at, but there's one up here, and that is where we're gonna put our scraps, because in this bay over here, like further back that way, we saw an eagle up on a tree, and we see him flying over there, and we've seen one flying over here, but we saw one actually landed over here. So I think that they live way over there. But this morning, or last night, we put our scraps on the island, and this morning we saw him, or her. Watched him circle around and then watched the eagle pick up our scraps. So today we're hoping to do this early, put the scraps out there, and hopefully see the eagle and be actually ready for it. Maybe get a picture of the eagle. So that's the plan. Today's the only day we were expecting to see, to have like a lot of rain. So I'm starting to feel it now. So I'm gonna move Tyler's camera out of the rain. I'll put it under the tarp. Okay, this should be good. Should probably grab that too. Put it in my pocket. How you feel, Tyler? You got a twig stuck to your hat.
I don't think he's cold anymore, do you?
No. Working so hard to get this thing in. We'll let this one go, yeah?
Hey, what?
Yeah, I got my phone ready.
Go ahead and back up on shore. There you go. There you go. Good job.
Look at this freaking thing. Holy cow.
Hold him up a little more long, like, yeah. Stick his head up. Give him a kiss. I'm just kidding.
No. I wouldn't get those deep.
Yeah.
Holy moly. That thing is huge. Let me see him. He is really small. We probably should
He's really small. I don't think that we're gonna get much meat off him.
That's true.
I know it. I'll trade you in for your brother.
Your brother. You let him go?
Well, he showed himself out. Alright. Retreat.
You gotta show me how to do the stringer. Show me how to do it at some point.
The stringer?
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
Okay, yeah. I also gotta show you how to set the drag on your reel.
Yeah, what does that mean?
Alright, so you want me to show you now?
Take care of that. And we'll do it before we go out.
Hurry.
Read.
10 kisses that I can skip this rock.
At least twice.
2 times, yeah.
Okay.
So, plop, skip.
Yeah.
Done.
Alright. Plop, skip. Done. At least. At minimum. At a minimum. What are you doing?
Take your right.
That was at least twice. We're trying to find the eagle. And we found, what looked like pike jaws. And we see the teeth on them. Ooh. And I was thinking maybe this tree right here, but I don't see anything, so I don't know. Yeah, look at that. We should bring them back for my grandfather. That's crazy. Some good teeth. Would not want to get bit by that.
He's got cavities.
Oh, darn. Let's go back.
You know, I tell them to floss and they don't floss. You want to take them?
Yeah, let's take them. Good.
I think by the time we're done with this trip, we'll be considered amateur canoers.
Ooh, nice.
Unbelievable. That's spectacular.
Is this the grand finale?
Maybe just the opening.
POV. We are canoeing. You see Tyler back there? We have not caught a single fish today. It is Tuesday, October 8th? The 8th or the 9th? Tuesday, October 9th. We haven't caught a single fish today. But we've caught plenty of fish since being here. Tyler caught a 40-incher. I caught a 40-incher. Caught some 36s, 32. A bunch of little ones. Eating good. We fish every night for dinner. Okay, say hi. Alright, cool. Oh, lost them. So Tyler's trying to detangle. We were both out. We both had our lines out, and Tyler thought he caught a fish, and the boat was turning, and I was like, I kind of feel some tugging too, so I started reeling in, but I was like, I don't feel like I have a fish. And then he pulled a fish out, and attached to his line were these weeds. Was that hook ever in his mouth?
I thought it looked like my hook was in his mouth. But...
Okay, so I guess he says that he thought his hook was in the fish's mouth, which is down there. And when he pulled it up, my line came up attached to the weeds and him and his hook. So
You are officially
yeah,
off.
so we're calling this, we caught this fish together. Because we both reeled him in at the same time.
It felt a lot bigger.
I think because I was tugging on it too.